Workflow at a standstill because of the Hostfxr.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix this software conflict for good. This DLL file is the .NET Core Host Resolver library. It is responsible for locating the appropriate .NET runtime environment and resolving dependencies required to execute cross-platform applications built on the modern .NET framework. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. The Hostfxr.dll belongs to the Microsoft.NET Core application bundle. Performing a full reinstall of the latest version of Microsoft.NET Core will restore this file and related components. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Hostfxr file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Be aware that manual interventions for the Hostfxr.dll often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If you're managing system alerts or background maintenance tasks, the resource below offers general guidance related to the Hostfxr. Thank you for trusting us with your Microsoft.NET Core repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.